Hello. To adjust permissions on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, then scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. You go in here and all the way down there is Permission Manager, and there are various services which may be used by different applications. You can see the number of the applications which are allowed to use the services out of total number of the applications. For example, the location has 4 applications allowed to use it out of 23 applications in total. So let's go in here, for example, and as you can see there are indeed 4 applications which are allowed, and not allowed are the rest 19 applications. Okay, so to manage the permissions of the location in this case, you simply have to press any application you'd like to manage the permissions, and here you can allow only while using the application, ask every time while you open the app or the application wants to use the location, it will ask for the permission, and you also just simply deny the permission. You can also see all the permissions of this particular application which you selected. So you can see here, you can go in here and see which services are allowed for this application. Here are these allowed one, here are these that are not allowed, and you can also manage these permissions right here. So that's it. Pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.